Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenore, Makeup by Leo here on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in and continuing to support my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. For today's video, we are going to be talking about products that are from the line Beauty Creations. Beauty Creations is a Latina owned brand. If you guys have heard about Beauty Creations, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and that way I know you guys are familiar with the brand. They do collabs with YouTube creators like Luis Torres, Murillo Twins, Annette69, EvetteXo, which obviously that's what we're going to be reviewing today, is EvetteXo's collaboration with them. I'm excited to just share with you guys what I picked up. So I did pick up her Snatch Me face palette, which we will be, going over. Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette. We also picked up the Stay Pretty setting spray. I'm gonna give you a rundown on everything that we use today, girl. Like, it's gonna be a long video, so grab a snack. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging, I love her packaging. Like, the sleeves on these are so stunning. Look at this. This is the sleeve. You see how pretty it is? I love the color of the packaging. It's like, I don't know if this is vinyl or what type of material this is, but it's like plasticky, which I like. Easy to clean, easy to sanitize. I'm gonna just show you the outside of the packaging because throughout the video you'll be able to see what the inside looks like. This is the packaging for the Eyes on Me. I'm trying to put it back in the carton. The same thing with the face palette. This is what it looks like. And again, see more of this throughout the video. And then of course the setting spray. I love the little bottle here. Oh, I love the bottle. I think it's so cute, so pink, so girly. I just think that they did a really amazing I think they did a really amazing job with this. So as far as the packaging goes, you guys know that I love the way the packaging turned out. I think that it's very pretty. It's very pink. It's very girly. I feel like the silver lettering to it adds like dazzle to it. So yes, girl, you did a great job. Like a baddie holding this.
My self-esteem is so high. I'm a winner in your eyes.
Like the photos that they took of her for this shoot, they came out super stunning. I think that it just looks so good, like with her packaging. I just love it. Like, I think she looks amazing on all products that she launched with them. The only thing I didn't pick up was the lip combo, which I'm kind of sad about, but I'll go ahead and wait till I can get my hands on it, and I'll let you know in a future video if I like the products that she launched for the lips. So this is a 16 pan eyeshadow palette. So in this palette you get 5 metallics, 1 satin, 1 matte shimmer, and 9 completely matte shades. Okay, girl, I see you. I see what you're doing here. You're giving us a variety of different textures, which I enjoy. I like to try out different textures. Girl, yes, I'm like living for this. Like, I think that you gave us a little bit of everything in this palette. I think that's really, really cool. We can try different textures and, just play with the formula and figure out what it is that we like about the palette and what we don't. I will continue to use it, and then I'll update you guys in future videos and let you know if there's anything that I didn't like about any of the other shades, because I only used a certain amount of shades today. I love that the eyeshadow palette has neutral tones in it, because every girl needs neutral tones. I mean, we do get neutral tones in just about, I'm not going to say just about every launch, but every time I feel like a brand comes out with a new product or something, when it comes to shadows, I feel like they do put a lot of neutrals in the eyeshadow palette. But I think because that makes it a little bit more comfortable and easy for some people to use that aren't like into like deeper, richer shades or more jeweled tone shades. So I do like that she went with several neutral shades in this eyeshadow palette. I feel like the colors that she chose for the palette, the metallics, I feel like they set off the palette. Like, girl, they're fire. Like, I I truly just love the way everything just turned out after mixing all the shades together and blending, you know, what I needed to blend. I feel like everything blended seamlessly. It was like such a nice experience using the eyeshadow palette. I'm like in love with it. I think it's like gonna be a staple, girl. Let's move on to the Snatch Me palette, girl, because you know we just gotta be looking snatched. So this is what the palette looks like. So this is a 6-pan palette. You get 2 highlight shades. One is like a rosy tone. It has like a rosy undertone, and the other one leans more gold, but like a champagne gold. So I do like that. These are what they look like, and you'll see them later on in the video where I swatch the whole palette together. I'm loving that you gave us 2 different options when it comes to the highlight shades. These are super beaming. Like, you guys will see when I apply the highlight that it's so beaming, it's so gleaming, like it looks so pretty on the skin. So I don't mind it. I will use them when I'm feeling extra glamorous, so I don't mind that. I love these. They also gave us 2 setting powders, one that's more of a peachy tone or a beigey tone, and then one that's more of a yellow tone for those of you who like the yellow look underneath your eyes. These are some nice setting powders. I only used one, so I'll let you know in a future video if I like the yellow one. I feel like these blend in super nicely. They have good pigmentation, and I feel like they give you the brightness you need. So I do like these powders, or I like this powder, the beige powder in here. It's really nice. I did use the bronzing shade to bronze up my face because the foundation that I am using is a little bit too light. And the bronzing shade just is beautiful. It blended out so nicely. No patchiness, nothing like that. You guys can see, and you guys will see in the demo. I feel like this is for bronzing and this is more for contour. This is called Bronze Babe, but I don't feel like it's a bronzing shade for my skin tone. I did use it to sculpt out my nose. I feel like it's more of a sculpting powder. This one, I feel like it's more of a bronzing powder, more to bring some warmth to the face, bring some color back to the face. So I mean, use it however you want to use it, but that's just how I used it, bronzing, and then I use this for sculpting out my nose. And I hardly ever like contour my nose, but I did it today because I wanted to try it out and see how it worked out, and I feel like it worked out really nicely. My nose looks Snatch Girl. And for the last and final product that I used from her collection is the setting spray. This setting spray, I think it's like such a good setting spray, and I mean, I don't know if it did anything as far as like, I don't know if it's gonna do anything as far as like the longevity, but as far as setting the face, like the powder I used, because I did use the Beauty Creations powder to set my face after applying my foundation. So like, this is nice. I feel like it set my makeup in place really nicely, and I always like to go in with the sponge and then just kind of tap in whatever little droplets are on the face so they don't stay looking like that. And I mean, you don't have to, because the mist on this is super fine. Like, it's a fine mist. It does have a light scent to it, a very light scent to it. Nothing like over the top, nothing that's gonna make you feel like sick or anything. And I feel like the scent doesn't linger, it doesn't stay. So I do like that about the setting spray. Packaging, girl, you killed it with everything that you brought to the table with this collection. So shout out to you, EvetteXo and Beauty Creations, for coming out with this collab, because I'm super stoked about it. But yes, you guys, that is pretty much it for everything that I used here in my video today. I did use the Beauty Creations blush. I forgot to mention, this is such a pretty pigmented pink blush. You guys saw me use it in the demo there, and this blush is so pretty, so pigmented. This is what the shade looks like swatched on my hand. Super pretty, bright pink, pigmented, baby doll kind of shade. I'm sorry. I think that the formula is really nice. It went on super pigmented. I did have to blend it out a little bit with just whatever foundation was left on my sponge, just to like sheer it out, because girl, these are pigmented. So if you use these, I would use these with more of a fluffier brush than more of a compact brush, because girl, this gives pigment. Like, it packs a punch, girl. So I love this. This is not part of this collection. This is just some blushes that they came out with recently, and I'm like super obsessed. I definitely recommend those. As far as these palettes go, I feel like she did an amazing job. I feel like the color story is so pretty. I can't wait to create like more of a pinky look and then more of a neutral tone look. I wanted to create something a little bit more deep so we can get some use out of the shadows here and you guys can see how they perform. The face palette, I love this face palette. I think it's so nice. I feel like she gave you a little bit of everything. I mean, it's not gonna work for every single skin tone, but it's nice. Like, I freaking love this. If you like the highlighter shades in here, you're gonna like this palette. That is my review for the EvetteXo X Beauty Creations collab. I think it's stunning, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will be seeing you guys in my future videos.